Welcome back to Soda TV. Yes, sir. We are back. Today in the classroom we have Kanye and his wife Bianca. So you know it's troll time. You know that, right? Before we get into his latest Kanye, you feel me, thing, I'ma need you to hit that like, share, and subscribe button. Also hit that notification bell so you can be notified on any upcoming content. So you know, we have Kanye on a boat with his new wife, right? And you know, it's okay to take a boat ride. No one's criticizing that. As a man, when you take, every man naturally wants head from his girl or his wife on the boat. We all know that, right? This dude Kanye on the boat with it, getting here with his ass out. My thing is, it's too many things wrong with it, right? You use your family for trolling purposes, and all, you feel me, kids, you don't care who you use. You old troll. You act like as a man you don't feel, any man feels when his ass is out. Let's be a thou wow. You felt that wind on your behind. You had them cameras sitting around. Kanye, man, like I don't blame you, because he realizes the art and the money that's involved in staying relevant. And right now, at this point of his career, putting out all the Jewish things, and he can't come back from that, so he has to stay relevant. But this shit here, brother, this shit here, ninja, your butt out. Like, it ain't even that. Like, this the way you doing it and the way you looking, like, everything is to laugh about it, man. Like, you got the mask on, looking like, the way you looking is like, you know they filming you, right? The people on this channel, we know it, right? But you acting like you don't know they filming you. Got the mask on, eyes looking like you scared, ass out. Your girl, she knows she posing for the camera, looking directly in the camera. Got her hair nice done. Y'all some trolls, man. And that's what we got going on today. What y'all think about it? Do y'all feel like this was a genuine man getting head from his wife on the boat, as we all would do? Or do y'all feel like I feel this was a maximum troll effort done by him and his wife to promote both of their careers, and y'all gonna do it in the nastiest way with no class? That's classiness. That's classness. I'm saying that right, right? That ain't no class about that for you or her. Like, it make her look like another brand down Kanye West ex dusty wife. You know what I'm saying? Like, you know. Wow. Tell me what y'all think in the comments. Y'all know I love to see y'all comments. I read them all. I like to engage with y'all who come here to hear me, because I'm still growing. I just started. Also, if you have not, please hit that like, share, and subscribe button along with the notification bell. Soda TV, I'm out.